Oh, hi there. Hey, I'm really excited. I had 4 deals closed today. One was was 14 days to close, and that was an investment property purchase. So again, 14 days. She actually called me on Father's Day, and I picked up the phone. Yes. Second one, Wisconsin. I had a VA buyer in Wisconsin who's actively in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and we still got him a VA loan. Number 3 was a investment property purchase that we closed this month. And number 4, we had a HELOC go through, and that person is doing home improvements on their house in Placerville. If there's something I can do for you, please call me. Have a great day.